Why do 50% of dog owners leave water in their dog's crate? Let's find out. Providing water in a dog crate can be a bit tricky. On one hand, water is super important to keep your dog hydrated. Lack of water can lead to dehydration, lethargy, or even excessive panting. But there's a catch. Water in the crate can create a mess. Spills can make your dog's crate wet and uncomfortable. Plus, water might encourage your dog to urinate, leading to more accidents inside the crate. So, what's the solution? Try using no-spill water bowls or attaching a water bottle to the crate. These options keep things tidy while ensuring your fob stays hydrated. Keep in mind, it's all about your dog's specific needs. Their age, health, and the amount of time they spend in the crate all play a role. With a bit of planning, both you and your furry friend can enjoy stress-free crate time. So, would you be leaving water in your dog's crate? Now you know the pros and cons.